The following video will introduce mounting of the crystal former chips in the magnetic mount. Crystal former chips can be mounted into modified magnetic mounts for in situ diffraction testing. Insert the chip into a slot of the magnetic mount and tighten the screw with the provided Allen key. If the whole chip is too large to fit on your goniometer, it can be cut with a hot wire tool. It's best to cut at least one channel over from the channel containing crystals, so that high temperatures of the melting plastic do not damage the crystals. By the time the cutting is complete, most of the plastic along the cut line has hardened. However, one can easily break off the portion of the chip, taking care not to exert pressure on the channel containing crystals. Now, a small section of the crystal former can be mounted using a magnetic mount, making it easier to rotate the chip for diffraction testing from various angles. Please contact us for more tips and technical assistance.